This is how I extend the shelf life of my carrots when I have them in excess. So what I've done here is to thoroughly clean my carrots and then put them in a jar with a little water. So after doing this, I will just store it in my refrigerator, and it can keep in the refrigerator for as long as I have stock. So anytime you have excess carrots which you are not going to use in no time, you just have to do this and keep it in the fridge. Times are hard and you are not going to leave any food to go waste. Let's go through it as I take you through how I do it. I thoroughly cleansed carrots. I washed them very well with clean water and salt. You can as well use white vinegar. I have here a glass jar which I'm going to fill with water halfway, not to the brim but halfway. Then I'll pack the carrots into it. If you don't have a glass jar, you can use a plastic jar or even a storage bowl. All you need to do is just fill it with water and put the carrots in it. The purpose of the water is to keep the carrots fresh and hydrated whilst in the fridge, so it doesn't dry out or fit. I would have to arrange them in a way that I can be able to cover the jar. So this one is too long. I'll have to break it and put it in. Be careful not to pack the carrot too tight in the jar, else you would have difficulty bringing them out when you are ready to use. I push it in. The one I put. I'm adding a little more water. You cover it up and you are done. It can keep in the fridge for as long as you still have some in. And when you feel like you've kept it in the water for too long, you just pour the water out and then refill it. And that's all. This one can store in the fridge for as long as there are more inside. Thank you for watching. Like and share my videos so that I'll be inspired to bring you more kitchen tricks and hacks. Thank you.